Okay, I'm going to show you how to change an image. Very simple to do. You're just going to click the wrench again, open up the settings for the module. Um, this is showing the photo source, which is always going to be your media library. So no need to change that. And then to edit the image, you'll simply click Edit, and it'll pull up your media library. So I always recommend updating your media library before you do a change. I just think it's an easier way to manage your images and keep them in control, because if you just upload them through here, it can sometimes act a little squirrely. Um, One really important thing when you do upload images is to make sure that you include an alt text. This is for SEO purposes and for text readers, so for people who are visually impaired. So this is an accessibility thing and an SEO thing. Both are very important, and it can be easy to forget this step, but all it needs to be is just a couple words, just briefly describing the image. Like you can see here, it's just his name. So just again, another important detail to be aware of. And then you would just come in here and you can select your new photo and it would replace it. So while I'm in here, I'm going to also show you how to add and remove a team member. It's going to be extremely simple. To remove, all you would do is making sure you're hovered on the whole row, as you can see here, and not one of these little modules, because this will just delete the module. You're going to want to click the remove on the row, and it will just delete the whole thing, because the way we've structured this is that each row houses a team member. Excuse me. So when you have a need to add a new member, though, much like deleting one, you're just going to duplicate it, and it will duplicate the whole row, the whole format and everything. So adding someone new will be as simple as just coming in, updating the photo, clicking in here, and then changing his name, his title, and doing the same for the bio. So you can see, very, very simple, and you can put them in whichever order by just moving, like I covered earlier, and that's as simple as just dragging, dropping. And I do not want to save this, so I'm going to discard. And next, I'm going to show you how to add a new project.